So now we are going to see about the fifth chapter, coordinate geometry. The coordinate geometry, first exercise we have in the graphical representation. Okay. So for example, coordinate geometry means you are standing in the school. Okay. So for example, GPS, you are taking a GPS. So if you want to booking any cab or auto, whatever it is, your home in this place means your location in this place. So we are having this point to this point some distance, right? That's only by using the graph you are going to locate it. Okay, this place to that place. So by using the points. Okay, then what they mention, so graphical representation we are having, this is a positive side is a x, negative side is a x dash, positive y is a y, negative y is a y dash. Okay, so x is a horizontal line, y is a vertical line. You should remember this. And the x coordinate is called abscissa and y coordinate is called ordinate. X coordinate is called, means x axis are called abscissa and y axis are called ordinate. So 0, 0 is the origin. That's only they can mention. 0, 0 at the center of the sheet. Okay, this is center of the sheet, 0, 0. Okay, this is 0, 0. Somewhere else does not matter, so no need to matter. Then 0, 0 is always the origin. That is called 0, 0 is called as the origin, and instruction on related to that point. How it is denoted? O, capital O. So they are representing O, right? That's nothing but 0, 0. So origin is representing O, and we already know about this tabulation. This to this you should write, ma'am. You should write, and this also you should write. Okay. In your graph first sheet, I told, right, that points and all you should write in this place, and coordinate diagram should be in this graph sheet. In your graph note you should write. So that instruction, so introduction and this coordinate diagram, and later we will move to the problematically next page. Okay, so first quadrant means x-axis and y-axis is positive. Second quadrant, so it should be in your what? Anti-clockwise. Clockwise means you should rotating in this place. So if you're moving in this place means anti-clockwise. Okay, this is anti-clockwise. So both the x and y is a positive means that is a first quadrant. In this place, y is a positive, x is a negative. So negative, positive means second quadrant. Both values negative means third quadrant. And x is positive, y is negative means fourth quadrant. You should remember this. Okay, this is very important. Just they asking, they giving a point and ask whether which quadrant it lies. That's one you already did in 8th standard, right? The same process. So what they mentioned, 3 in a x coordinate, that's a positive, y is a negative, y coordinate is a negative. So whose lies in a, so x positive, y negative in the fourth quadrant. That's why they mentioned fourth quadrant. So minus number. So x coordinate is a -1, y coordinate is a -3. Both the terms negative means which quadrant? Third quadrant. X term is a positive, y coordinate also positive. So it is both positive means what? First quadrant. So x is negative, y is positive. Okay, x is negative, y is positive. So what? Second quadrant. That's only they given in briefly. That's it. Okay, so don't worry about this. And what they given, the plot the points. So a is 2, 4, b is -3, 5, c is -4, -5, d is this in the Gaussian plane. Okay, Cartesian plane means they given the graphical representation. This is a blank page, right? So you are going to mark. So a is what? 2, 2. So both is what? Positive means first quadrant. So 2 is x, this is x, this is y. So 2 and 4, where it is? In this place. So put the box. Okay, so in the Cartesian plane means you are plotting in this plane, in this paper. That's one day. Okay, b is -3, -5. So x is negative, y is positive, which second quadrant? So x is negative, y is. So you should draw. You already did in 8th standard, right? The same process. Yeah. and and then what they given, plot the following points. Okay, plot the following points, the 4 points in the Cartesian plane. Discuss types of the diagram by join all the points taken in order. So what they mention, we having a first B, A, then B, then C, then D. That's only. So what they mention, type of a diagram, if you joining in order A to B, B to C, C to D, this is your order. Okay, in your Cartesian plane, what they giving in order to the given. So then what they mention, discuss the type of the diagram by joining all the points taken in order. So we are having A, B, C, D in order, right? So A is the what quadrant? Both term is the first, positive, so first quadrant. B is what? Negative, positive, so second quadrant. C is what? Negative, negative, so third quadrant. D is what? Positive, negative is the fourth quadrant. So in order means A, B, C, D. So in order to I can draw. So what is the diagram in this place? So ABCD is a rectangle. That's what they mention. Okay. Why it is a rectangle? 1, 2, 3, 4. So length is a 4. 1, 2, 3. Breadth is a 3. Okay. Opposite sides are equal means rectangle. So that's why they giving. So in exercise 5.1. Okay. In exercise 5.1, you will mention by using the example sum. The same in this. Okay, which quadrant they are asking. By using that sum, you will do the plot the following points in the coordinate system. Identify the quadrant. Which quadrant they are asking. So negative, positive. X is negative. Y is positive means what? Obviously, P is the second quadrant. So x coordinate is a negative. Y coordinate is a positive. Therefore, it lies on second quadrant. So like that, you will do the sum. Then what they giving? Abscissa means x coordinate, ordinate means y coordinate. So what they asking? P, Q, R as they given. There is a P is in this place. So what is the x? Minus 4. What is your y? 4. So minus 4 comma 4. So what is the abscissa? Minus 4. What is your ordinate? 4 in this place. So where is the Q? Q in this first quadrant. So 3 comma 3. So what is the abscissa? 3. What is the ordinate? 3. That's it. So in this place what we are having? R. So what they asking? R. R is what? What is x? 4 comma 2. So what is the abscissa? 4. What is the ordinate? 2. Same like that. Where S is nothing but minus 5 comma 3. Minus 3. Sorry. Minus 3. So what is the abscissa? Minus 5. What is the ordinate? Minus 3. That's it. Okay. The same plot the point and join this. That's it. Okay, I will send the graph sheet. Don't worry.